So it is business. Now after that slide you understand that business is not all about money. Money is one part of it. Money is the instrument again for a business. Now how analyze, take any businesses, tell me a businesses which are successful. Name some businesses which are successful. Can you help me with some businesses which are successful, which are rich, which are big companies, big organization, big institutions, or big enterprises? Why they are rich? Can anyone help me with some names? Let us analyze that. Tell me some business names which are good, which are big, which are making a lot of money. Please type in, guys. Let us make it interactive. Paytm, yes. So what did Paytm do? Very good example. Paytm do because Paytm is helping people pay effortlessly. Amazon, yes. Hi Sakti, good to see you first of all. Hi, good to see you in my show. Yeah, Amazon. Amazon is solving your problem. Zerodha, okay. My apologies. I'm not able to understand. So I don't have knowledge about what this business do. Can you help me with that? Google, yeah, Google solves your problem because anything you want. Amul, Tata, very true, very true, very true. अमूल एंड टाटा, यस. तो सुबह सुबह अमूल का चाय मिल जाता है कभी कभी. टाटा का नमक नहीं होगा तो दिन नहीं चलेगा. सो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग बेसिकली. Why these are big organization? Let us talk about rich organization. Let's talk about Reliance. Let's talk about, we already spoke about Amazon, right? Yeah. So why these people are successful? Why these businesses are rich? Okay, Zerodha is a stock trading company. Yeah, Zerodha is a stock trading. Thanks for helping that, Shakti. And why it is successful? Why it is a rich company? Because it is making people rich, right? If the company or organization is only becoming rich, it is not possible. First of all, any business is rich because it is making people rich. As simple as that. Have you seen a company or an organization which is big and it makes a lot of money and nobody in that organization is rich? It's not true, correct? If you talk about Reliance, let's say, like, Reliance is like, a very big organization. It's also true that Reliance has make crores of people rich. That is how they grow. Amazon has like, revolutionized so many people. Like, so many sellers are able to sell. So many people are able to make money. So many people are able to save money. So many people are able to save time. And we choose Amazon because it is convenient. It delivers things to at my doorstep. There is easy refund and return. They are giving us convenience. There is an opportunity cost to everything. People pay money in turn of something. Either they are saving money, they are saving time, they have a peace of mind, or they feel good about that. They feel rich about that. People buy iPhone because they feel rich about that. Apart from the utility, I'm not a hardware, like, a very strong guy in hardware, mobile hardware, so I'm not going to debate on that. But yeah, people feel rich. So do you understand, every business that is rich is because of, it is making people richer. First of all, it is making people happier. It is solving a problem. So business is not about money. So people do not start businesses to make money. Making money is one of the things, okay? And if your business is doing good, you automatically get money. There is no like, no doubt on that. And that is automatic. That happens automatically.